Alright, 2 of them already installed. What?
Did you still want to wash your blanket before tonight?
Yeah.
Alright. Bear, yeah, your bear's still clean. He doesn't need wash. But your new blanket needs washed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy's putting something together for you. We're gonna put it together. What is that? She probably thinks it's a trampoline.
Oh, you think it's another trampoline, don't you? She's like, I don't care what it is, I'll use it the same way, really.
Right. Harper, I'm gonna go down and start a load of laundry. Do you want to go with me?
No.
No? Okay. I'll be back up in a minute. Oh, you do want to go? Okay, come here. Daddy's working on putting that together. You can stay up here with him or you can go with me. Which one do you want? Go with Mama? Huh? Yeah, we'll be back. Come here. Oh. Can you come on the leg?
Alright. Now that one. I have a feeling this one's going to be the hard one.
Hey babe,
Yeah.
try to help me remember that when the timer goes off for the ham, that's our cue to go switch the laundry over to her.
Yeah. Oh, don't mess with that too much. Oh, here we go. All right, not too bad.
It's done?
Yeah, I wish. Alright, it says, next insert the bolts through the slot in the Velcro, then through the hole in the tubes.
I knew it. Here, you want a piece?
Oh, there it is. Oh, thanks. Yeah, putting this together.
Don't you think this one looks like a nice one?
Yeah. I only have 2 nuts. Oh, okay. They're on there. Okay. All right, I gotta flip it over.
Did it come with hardware to attach it to the ceiling if we want to?
No.
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 No. All right, can I flip this over? You want to get up for me? Thank you. Oh, were you gonna help? Here, set it down. Good job.
Hey, come here for a minute. I'm gonna look something up real quick.
Oh, hold on. Can't lose anything. Can't lose them. You hold them for me? Okay, hold them. I'm gonna need them here in just a second. Okay, move your knee. Alright, I need those now. Yep, in 1 second I'll need that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I see that tool? Can I see that tool? Thank you. Could you go to the get me a screwdriver, any kind, that doesn't matter.
Me.
You gonna help mommy?
Me.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta give those back to Daddy too. Give them to Daddy. Wow.
Thank you.
You. Yeah.
Can you say you're welcome?
Harper, can you hold this?
No.
Hold that. Hold these ones too. Right. I'll need those back in just a second.
Yeah.
I found this Cracker Barrel rocking chair just to see what it said about keeping it outdoors. And
Alright, can I have it back?
Yeah. Yeah.
it says to preserve the finish, it is highly recommended this item be placed indoors or in a protected environment such as a covered porch, out of direct sunlight and blowing rain. So it looks like we can keep that out on the porch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I need that screwdriver.
Woo! Can you say woo?
Could you turn that screen around so I can see what I'm seeing?
Ow, it shocked me.
You mean it? You shocked it? Oh yeah, okay. Well, we're getting the Harper.
Yeah.
There. Oh. Yeah, I'm using that screwdriver to hold the bolt in place. You want to hold that? Be careful. Hold that one. Let me see these. Okay, here, you hold those with one hand. Okay, now hold these. Alright, I'm gonna need those back in just a second. Alright, I need where'd the little pieces go? Did you set them down? Oh, you still got them. Thank you. Alright, 1 second. I'll get those from you in 1 second. Totally guessing on what side the washer goes on, by the way. I didn't see it in the instructions. Maybe I should look again. Yeah, it looks like I don't see it on either side, really, so. Yep, that holds the other side. That goes over here. Let me show you. Here, that goes right up in there. Yeah, that goes there. Yeah, and that goes on there. Right, now you turn it. That way. Yeah. You helping me, Harper? Yeah, you helping me build your swing.
You rocking? Rock back and forth.
Alright, hold those. Hold that one too.
Here.
Set it on the chair.
Can you rock back and forth? Woo. There you go. She picked him up first because she knew they'd fall if she rocked.
Yeah, I need that screwdriver. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Got it on there. Oop, fell off, didn't it? Can I help you out? Can you help me turn it? Push it down. Yeah.
Yeah, that's your swing.
Yeah, that's your new swing.
No.
Yeah.
Did she
Okay.
say new?
Oh, did you say new?
Did you say new?
No.
New?
Yeah. Yeah, another word that she figured out recently is wait. Because sometimes I start to take her over to her changing
Yeah,
table.
I've heard her say wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She tried to tell me to wait this morning when I was going to change her morning diaper. She's like, wait.
Wait.
Wait. Hey, Harper.
Oh!
Do you want me to pull your hair back up in your scrunchie?
I think it's ready to go.
You want to go outside and check it out? Oh, it looks like we might need to change your clothes to go outside, huh?
There's some more stuff in there. I don't know what this stuff is.
What's in that bag?
Yeah, I don't know.
Looks like that's a cover of some kind. Nice.
Don't really understand though. Just a weather cover, huh?
I guess
What
so.
are these?
I don't know.
I don't understand at all.
Harper knows.
Doing something with them.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get her some different clothes because we can't put shoes on out with her sleepers. So yeah.
All right, we're it's Christmas Day 2018, and we're taking Harper's baby swing down. Yep, we're taking down her baby swing. She's getting upgraded.
You ready to check out your new swing, Harper? Yeah, that's your old one.
Ah, just that easy, right there. You ready? Oh. You gonna lay down? You wanna sit down? You wanna lay down or sit down? What do you think? You ready? Yeah? Oh, yeah, we got some bumps. Might have to move stuff over.
Woo! Whoa, 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 careful. That's fine.
Go.
It swings for a while too, you know? Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh my. Crazy girl.
No.
Yeah, huh?
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I think you are. What?
Another push? Another push? Whoa! Yeah. What do you think, Harper? You like it? Yeah? Can you say bye-bye?